Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about absolute zero shift in CNC machines. In CNC machines actually, one is machine coordinate system, other is work coordinate system, and third thing is reference point. Here this M represents machine coordinate system, this W is work coordinate system, and this R is reference point. This reference point is maximum travel of the machine. If this point is 0 0, say uh, table travel in x-axis it is 200 mm, then R will be at maximum point. Maximum travel means it will be at minus 200 mm, and then in y-axis it will be minus again 200, and in z-axis it may be 300 or 400, whatever is the maximum travel of the machine. So W is work zero point. This is a floating point, whereas machine 0 is fixed point. From machine 0 to work 0, we should know how much is the distance in all the three axes. How much is the distance in x-axis, how much is in y-axis and z-axis. So that value we have to give in work offset, because work offset, there are 6 types of work offsets: G54, G55, G56, G57, G58 and G59. So this is work offset number 1, work offset number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 offsets. And one is home position. R is home position. Home position, maximum travel of the machine in all the three axes, X, Y and Z axis. Work 0 is this we have to define the distances in all the three axes separately. For G54, if it is x1, y1 and z1, these are the distances, and in G55 it may be x2, y2 and z2. Similarly, in all the all parts, we have to define different we have to give different offsets from the machine 0. And G92 is, this is a temporary machine, temporary zero shift. So for this machine 0, command is G53. G53 x0, y0, z0, and G28, it is the command for home position. It is given here, G28 x0, y0, z0. With this command, this spindle will go directly to the home position. And G92, this is temporary shift. This is given here, x3, y3 and z5, x3, y4 and z5. So okay, rest thing we will discuss in the next video.